Hindi din.
Ay! Shit! Sama-sama yan.
Yung tray mo, iniwan.
Ganyan na lang, pas dito pa lang.
Ayan, i-zoom
Okay
ko.
ba yun? Para mamaya hindi ka mahirapan.
Mag-excuse me na ma'am, no? Maglalagay pa lang.
Excited daw ah.
Oh. Five o'clock. Unfold.
Excuse me, ma'am, the table is ready. Can I fold the table napkin on your lap?
Tataranta. Yan.
Kami mong bro.
May mo ibate. Excuse me, ma'am, you show water.
Water.
Nagkasalita ka, te? Baka mo boses mo, te, ha?
Excuse me, ma'am, you show tuna canapé, green cheese canapé, apple sandwich.
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your tuna canapé, cream cheese canapé, and
Excuse me, ma'am, are you...
Are you? Anong are your?
Are
Excuse
you?
me, ma'am, are you done? Can I pass out?
Tawag dito. Mamaya magti-table sa atin.
excuse me, ma'am, are you done?
Excuse me, ma'am, you show
Walang
clear soap and
kukunin.
pizza.
Hindi naman sa bangko eh.
Careful,
Back.
ma'am, is hot. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done? Can I pass out?
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your clear soap, please.
Ibig sabihin sa bangko natin.
Excuse me, ma'am, use your
Stuff
stuffed chicken rollat
with bechamel.
with bechamel sauce, potato muslin, chicken
Parang
pasta,
lasing eh.
with fresh parsley, sweet sour,
Sweet and sour fish.
sweet and sour fish, and yum chow fried rice,
Stir
stir
fry.
fried vegetable, and pesto pasta. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done? Can I pass out?
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your stuffed chicken roll
With bechamel.
with bechamel sauce and potato masali. Chicken laksa cauliflower with fresh parsley, sweet and sour fish, and yam chow
Fried rice.
yam chow fried rice.
Stir-fried vegetables.
Stir fry.
Wala na.
Ano? Jelly tayo?
Tanungin mo si, diner.
Naman banana roll. Ha?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bope jelly.
Jelly ka?
Oh.
Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, okay. Excuse me, ma'am, use your coffee jelly.
Bope jelly?
Almond jelly. Almond jelly with lychee fruit salad.
Excuse me, ma'am, use your almond jelly with lychee and fruit salad. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done? Can I pasta?
Ang box towel.
Pasta. Pasta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to have?
Excuse me, ma'am, would you like to have some coffee?
Swan Brody.
Siguro pangalawa lang ito, pangatlo pa lang.
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your coffee jelly. Almond jelly with lime.
Excuse me, ma'am, is your coffee?
Carmela.
Mauna yung isa, bago yan. Mauna yung isa. Mauna yan. Would you like?
Excuse me, ma'am, are you done? Can I pass down?
Balik ka dito, te. Kita mo yung baso.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sure po.
Excuse me, ma'am, would you like...
Are you done?
Excuse me, ma'am, are you done? Would you like...
Can I clear up the table?
Excuse me, ma'am, are you done? Can I clear up the table? Excuse me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? Can I pass out?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you
Ulit
need...
tayong dalawa sa inyo, ha? Yung dalawa.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am, would you like...
Do you
Yung
need...
dalawa.
Do you need
Para
anything
mamaya
else?
rapot na tayo sa bit.